wobbly tooth. Going to the dentist, going to the dentist. Got to get our teeth checked, got to get our teeth checked. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. Dentists really care, dentists really care.
Open your mouth, open your mouth. What have you got there? What have you got there? Wobbly tooth, wobbly tooth. You've got a wobbly tooth, wobbly tooth, wobbly tooth. You've got a wobbly tooth. Don't you worry, don't you worry. It's quite normal, it's quite normal. Your tooth will fall out, your tooth will fall out. Another will grow back, another will grow back.
Thank you, Mr. Dentist. Thank you, Mr. Dentist. That was not so bad. That was not so bad. Wobbly tooth, wobbly tooth. I've got a wobbly tooth, wobbly tooth, wobbly tooth. I've got a wobbly tooth.
Lellobee.